Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Clash Royale account on your device. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to delete your Clash Royale account, first thing what you need to do is log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, in the top right corner you'll be able to see a menu bar. Just click on it. As you click on the tab bar icon, a pop-up appears right in center and then the settings page loads. So right on this page, what you'll need to do is click on help and support in the left hand side corner. As you click on it, you'll be directed to the support center, and from here you need to select the category since you're deleting your account. So click on account. On this page you need to slightly scroll down, and right at the bottom there will be an option as contact us in a blue box, so you need to click on it, and there will be a series of automated response. So you need to follow the option given by the automated system and finally navigate yourself to the option that is delete my data. And you'll need to be specific about the reason for, and afterwards at the end you need to select a response and click on continue if you still wish to delete your Clash Royale account. And then you'll have to wait for sometimes maybe 24 hours or maybe a couple of hours, and you'll be notified with this kind of notification that your request has been submitted and your account is being deleted. So that is how you can delete your Clash Royale account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.